Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create memorized transactions in QuickBooks Enterprise. The first thing I want you to do is actually create or open the transaction. So we'll come here to customers, we'll click on create invoices, and of course you can choose your vendor, your customer job, your class, the date, the invoice number, who you're billing to, the amount, things like that. Okay, so you add all your details that you want to add. The memo, right, exactly as you would like them, but do not click save yet. So we need to memorize the transaction once it is ready. So the way you go about this, you can go ahead and press on your keyboard, okay? You press Control plus M on your keyboard, okay? So what I want you to do, plus Control plus M, and then, okay, here, you will be able to go ahead and memorize. So you can see this memorize transaction. So you get three main options. We have add to my reminders list. So QuickBooks will show you a reminder in your reminders list when it's time to record it. You can manually confirm each time. There's the do not remind me. So it's the transaction stay saved for quick access, but it's not scheduled. And then there's automate transaction entry. Well, QuickBooks automatically enters it based on your chosen schedule. So really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.